The crazy thing about the Insta360 Luna Ultra is that it doesn't feel like a normal pocket camera anymore. It feels like someone took a compact cinema camera, shrunk it down, then added one feature nobody expected: a detachable camera head. And honestly, after seeing how it works, this might be the biggest threat DJI has faced in the pocket camera market yet. The first thing people notice is the size. The camera head itself weighs around 150 grams, and even attached to the handle, it still stays compact enough to throw into a jacket pocket without thinking about it. Compared to the DJI Pocket series, it's slightly heavier, but not enough to matter in real-world use. The OLED display on the handle is also surprisingly bright. That sounds minor until you actually film outside. Most tiny camera screens become nearly useless in sunlight, but the Luna Ultra seems much easier to read. And side-by-side comparisons with the Pocket 4 leaks show something interesting too. The colors look more natural and less aggressively processed. But the real story here is the modular twist design. You can remove the camera head from the handle in seconds, and it keeps recording the entire time. That changes everything. You could leave the camera mounted across a room, hide it in a creative angle, or stick it somewhere difficult to reach while still controlling everything remotely from the handle itself. And that's what makes this camera feel genuinely different. Most pocket cameras are designed around convenience. The Luna Ultra adds flexibility on top of that. The handle basically becomes a wireless controller, while the camera goes wherever the shot needs to be. Now, the specs are where things start getting really serious. The Ultra version reportedly uses a dual-lens system. The main camera features a large 1-inch sensor with an f/1.8 aperture, slightly brighter than DJI's current pocket cameras. Then there's the secondary telephoto lens using a 1/1.3-inch sensor. Together, those lenses deliver nearly 4x optical zoom and up to 6x hybrid zoom while maintaining strong image quality. And honestly, that telephoto lens matters more than people think. Most pocket cameras force you into ultra-wide framing all the time. With a telephoto option, you can stand farther away and still get cinematic-looking compression for portraits, travel shots, and talking head footage. Leaks also suggest Leica color tuning across both lenses, which could help maintain consistent color science when switching between focal lengths. That's important because mismatched colors between sensors can instantly make footage feel cheaper. For video performance, rumors point toward 8K recording, 4K at 240 frames per second, 10-bit log profiles, and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. Basically, this is moving far beyond casual social media capture and stepping into serious creator territory. Battery life is expected to land somewhere between 150 and 180 minutes, and interestingly, the detachable camera head reportedly has its own internal battery as well. Audio also seems heavily upgraded. The Luna Ultra includes 3 built-in microphones with real-time AI noise reduction designed to reduce wind and background distractions automatically. Now here's where the competition gets complicated. Pricing rumors suggest the Luna Ultra could launch around $780 for the body and closer to $900 for a creator bundle. That's more expensive than the expected DJI Pocket 4 Pro pricing. But in the United States, availability may completely change the conversation. DJI's retail situation in the US remains uncertain because of ongoing restrictions, while Insta360 continues operating normally. That means the Luna Ultra could end up being easier to buy, easier to warranty, and easier to support officially. And honestly, that could matter just as much as the specs themselves. So who is this camera actually for? If you travel, vlog, document daily life, or just want something powerful that stays incredibly small, the Luna Ultra looks extremely promising. But if you already own a recent DJI Pocket camera, the upgrade probably only makes sense if that detachable modular design solves a real problem in your workflow. Either way, one thing already feels obvious. Pocket cameras are evolving fast, and the Luna Ultra might be the first one that genuinely feels like a new category instead of just another yearly refresh.